Not all trucks are built to go the distance. In this video, I am discussing newer trucks that might look rugged but have left owners with regrets. These trucks have reliability issues and unexpected breakdowns with costly repairs that could turn your dream ride into a nightmare. I'll cover everything you need to know about their design, driving experience, towing, and off-road performance, so you're fully prepared to decide if these trucks are worth the risk. Plus, I'll suggest reliable alternatives that could save you a fortune in the long run. Subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. 2022 and 2023 Toyota Tundra. The 2022 and 2023 Toyota Tundra brings a bold new look with a larger grille and sharp headlights, creating a modern, tough exterior. Inside, it's more spacious and tech-equipped than ever. However, once the most reliable truck on the market, the Toyota Tundra has stumbled with the 2022 refresh. Despite its strong reputation, the redesign introduced issues, notably with its 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid option. We all know that, recently, Toyota voluntarily recalled and replaced over 100,000 engines due to contamination from debris. While this has demonstrated the company's commitment to customer care, it has significantly impacted Toyota's reputation for reliability. The Tundra's powertrain comes in two main configurations, a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 and a more powerful hybrid version of the same engine. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. While powerful, these engines have faced issues, including turbocharger failures and leaks, which are unusual for Toyota but still impact the truck's dependability. The hybrid system boosts fuel economy and power, but its complex tech has brought unexpected reliability concerns. Driving the Tundra is relatively smooth and comfortable for a full-size truck. It handles well on highways, though it can feel slightly stiff over bumps. The seats are comfortable for longer drives, but its road noise is more pronounced than in some competitors, like the Ram 1500, which generally offers a quieter and smoother ride. Off-road, the Tundra has a lot to offer with options like the TRD off-road package, which adds skid plates, an upgraded suspension, and all-terrain tires. The TRD Pro model further enhances its capabilities with Fox shocks and increased ground clearance. While the Tundra is capable, its off-road performance is still a step behind Ford's F-150 Raptor and Ram 1500 TRX, both of which offer more specialized off-road tech and superior ground clearance. When it comes to towing, the Tundra's turbocharged V6 can pull up to 12,000 pounds. Impressive, but still trailing the Ford F-150's 14,000-pound maximum and the Ram 1500's 12,750 pounds. Payload is also competitive, but these numbers highlight Toyota's catch-up efforts rather than an outright lead in the segment. Reliability is where the Tundra has struggled since the redesign. J.D. Power and Consumer Reports have given it average ratings, a drop from Toyota's usual high standards. According to RepairPal, the Tundra's maintenance costs hover around $606 per year. A recent recall for the 3.4-liter twin-turbo engine has raised a huge concern. As the engine replacements are done at dealerships, the quality of the repairs may vary, leaving uncertainty about the long-term reliability of these fixes. Only time will tell if these issues are fully resolved after the replacements are carried out. Additionally, issue with hybrid models and turbochargers' electric waste gate underscore the reliability concerns buyers are experiencing with these models. And the Tundra's current price points make it harder to justify given the reliability issues. Especially with the hybrid, become expensive, placing it in competition with trucks that offer more advanced features and greater reliability. Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3-liter V8 and the 6.2-liter V8. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is a classic full-size truck known for its bold design, roomy interior, and simple tech. With a history rooted in strength and utility, the Silverado 1500 has traditionally been a popular choice. However, recent models, particularly with the 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter V8 engines, have faced reliability issues that have impacted owner satisfaction. The Silverado 1500 offers a choice of powertrains across its trims, including the 5.3-liter V8, which balances power with modest efficiency, and the more powerful 6.2-liter V8 for those seeking greater towing capabilities. Both engines pair with either an 8-speed or 10-speed automatic transmission, though transmission issues and lifter failures in the V8s have caused concerns. On the road, the Silverado 1500 provides reasonable comfort and off-road performance also is respectable, especially in the Trail Boss and ZR2 trims with the Z71 off-road package. The ZR2 trim enhances the Silverado's ruggedness, featuring automatic dampers, a 2-inch suspension lift, 2 locking differentials, and a 2-speed transfer case for improved traction on tough terrains. For even more extreme off-road adventures, buyers can opt for the Bison package, which adds skid plates and reinforced bumpers for additional protection. However, despite these off-road upgrades, Silverado's off-road trims still rely on the same standard engine options, whereas Ford and Ram offer high-performance engines in their top off-road models, like the twin-turbo V6 in the Ford Ranger Raptor and the supercharged V8 in the Ram 1500 TRX. This limitation leaves the Silverado trailing behind competitors with specialized off-road trims. In terms of towing and payload capacity, the Silverado offers competitive numbers, with the 6.2-liter V8 capable of towing up to 13,300 pounds. However, it's still outclassed by the Ford F-150, which reaches similar towing figures with better overall reliability and fewer issues under heavy loads. While the Silverado has long been a top-selling choice for Chevy, recent reliability issues have impacted its reputation, leading to more dissatisfied owners. Common complaints from owners include lifter failure due to active cylinder deactivation and electrical issues, all of which contribute to high repair costs. Frustrated by these issues, some owners resort to disabling dynamic fuel management to avoid potential failures, despite having paid for it. Compounding these problems, the Silverado's 10-speed automatic transmission has faced numerous complaints, with some vehicles experiencing transmission at very low mileage. GM has issued technical service bulletins to address these problems. Like all other engines, direct injection system leads to carbon buildup on intake valves, an issue that Ford countered long ago by adopting dual injection technology. And to prevent engine knocking caused by the high 11.5 to 1 compression ratio, GM recommends premium fuel, increasing operating costs. According to RepairPal, maintenance costs average $714 annually, making it a bit pricier to keep on the road than some competitors. The starting base price of the Silverado 1500 might seem competitive, but its high maintenance costs and frequent repairs erode its value. Ford and Ram provide better-equipped trucks for a similar price, making them more appealing options in the full-size segment. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is well known to have a strong resale value. However, recent reliability concerns, especially with transmission, engine, and electrical issues, could impact this trend as they may erode buyer confidence over time, potentially lowering its strong resale reputation. Ford F-150 Hybrid. The Ford F-150 Hybrid aims to combine the power of a full-size truck with hybrid efficiency, maintaining its iconic F-150 styling in a rugged, modern design. Inside, the spacious, well-equipped cabin offers a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone integration, and quality materials for a comfortable ride. Additionally, the F-150 Hybrid introduces a unique 7.2 kilowatt onboard generator option, making it exceptionally versatile for work sites or camping. This power boost feature can power tools, electronics, or even small appliances, setting it apart from competitors. However, recent ownership satisfaction has been mixed, with reliability concerns stemming from its innovative design. Under the hood, the F-150 Hybrid is powered by a 3.5-liter PowerBoost V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain provides strong performance and decent fuel efficiency, especially for a truck of its size. The F-150 Hybrid can tow up to 12,700 pounds, which is strong but falls short of the top gas-only F-150 configurations. On the road, the F-150 Hybrid is generally comfortable, with responsive steering and a smooth, stable ride. The hybrid system provides plenty of low-end torque, making it easy to accelerate and maintain speed. Off-road, the F-150 Hybrid's capabilities are solid, with options like the FX4 off-road package that adds skid plates, hill descent control, and off-road shocks. It has decent ground clearance, but its hybrid system isn't optimized for rugged off-road conditions the way rivals like the Ram 1500 Rebel are. The F-150 Hybrid has faced frequent complaints about transmission strain and overheating under heavy loads, raising concerns about its reliability for regular towing. The hybrid engine has been noted for inconsistencies, such as sudden power loss. Annual maintenance costs for the F-150 Hybrid average around $788, which is higher than many other trucks in its class, according to RepairPal. For those prioritizing reliability, these issues may make the F-150 hybrid less dependable than its competitors. Fuel economy is a positive aspect of the F-150 hybrid, with EPA estimates around 24 mpg combined, good for a full-size truck. While this is efficient compared to traditional gas-only pickups, Ford's advertised fuel savings may fall short of real-world results, especially when the truck is heavily loaded or towing. Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator's rugged, boxy design makes it instantly recognizable, though its shape results in poor aerodynamics, essentially pushing a box through the wind. As the only convertible truck available in the US, it adds a unique twist to its design. Inside, the Gladiator provides a straightforward cabin with essential tech and an open, functional layout. The Jeep Gladiator has recently experienced a significant drop in sales, leading to massive MSRP discounts of up to $20,000 as dealers struggle with an oversupply of inventory. The Gladiator's drivetrain options for 2024 include only the 3.6-liter V6 engine, paired with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission. Previously, the Gladiator offered a 3.0-liter eco-diesel V6 option, but Jeep discontinued it after the 2023 model year, I think due to emissions regulations and shifting consumer demand. With the gas engine, the Gladiator's performance is somewhat sluggish, requiring a sleepy 8.5 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. Reliability and ownership satisfaction have been mixed, which has struggled with wandering issues of recirculating ball steering at high speeds. Classified as a midsize truck, the Gladiator stands out as the only desert-rated truck in specific trims. Driving the Gladiator on-road reveals its flaws. It has significant road and wind noise and feels stiff over bumps compared to smoother rivals like the Honda Ridgeline. When it comes to off-road performance, however, the Gladiator shines, featuring Jeep's signature 4WD systems, excellent ground clearance, and available locking differential, sway bar disconnect, and skid plate. Its off-road capability outshines many competitors, including the Ford Ranger and Toyota Tacoma, especially with the optional Rubicon trim, which offers even more off-road enhancements. However, many of off-road features are optional, which makes its already high price feel less justifiable. When it comes to towing, the Gladiator handles a respectable 7,650 pounds. While decent, it's still behind competitors like the Ford Ranger, which achieves similar numbers with better fuel efficiency and smoother towing experience. Reliability has been a weak point for the Gladiator, with numerous complaints about electrical systems, engine problems, and transmission issues, impacting its overall J.D. Power and Consumer Reports ratings. Fuel economy isn't a strong suit for the Gladiator, with the EPA rating the V6 gas engine at 19 miles per gallon combined for the 8-speed automatic transmission and 18 miles per gallon combined for the 6-speed manual. In terms of resale value, the Gladiator's depreciation is noticeable due to its reliability issues, unlike Toyota Tacoma, which holds strong in resale. For more reliable options, consider the Toyota Tacoma for its proven durability, or the Ford Ranger for balanced performance and dependability. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are still here.